Guys, this is my 7th video, I think. All we're gonna do is just look at this bad lightning right now. It ain't raining, but it's lightning. Here it goes. Just wait for it. Lightning, lightning, come out wherever you are. Lightning. Ooh. Lightning. Whoa! What the? Dang, y'all seen that jump? That jump scared the crap out of me. Lightning, come out where you are. Hey, lightning. It's okay, you can lightning. I ain't got no time for that. I'm just gonna put this on YouTube so we can see. Whoa! Whoo, boy. Look at them bats flying around. Y'all hear that? But it ain't raining though, that's the problem. There's lightning and thundering. It ain't raining. Lightning. Boom! Give me open! Well guys, I saw lightning cause yeah, like you don't want lightning no more. Should have seen it before that. Okay, it was whoo, boy, it was whoa.
Y'all want to see me do a backflip?
Watch this ugly dude do a backflip. They can't see you, so you too black. We'll do it in the morning.
Ryan and Caleb in the house?
I don't know.
I get this cash money, yo. Yo.
He got $24 thinking, cause he told some people getting $4 just to hear him rap. Now you know that's a lie. Whoa!
Y'all saw that? That was real bad.
I might not be able to sleep tonight. So hope this lightning don't be like that or it's too dark out though, man. What? I'll see you guys in the morning because I'm about to go to sleep right now. Yep. If any of y'all got a PS4, whoa, did y'all see that? If any of y'all got a PS4, see, I want RomanAtwood to see this because I might be his favorite. God dang! What the?
Mom said come in.
Whoa!
Mom said come in.
Bruh. Alright, I see y'all later. 20 King out.